Before you fall in love with that model home, let's talk about what most people regret after buying. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about buying new construction homes and the 7 mistakes people always regret. Let's jump right in with number 1. Skipping a home inspector and not having a cosmetic or a blue tape checklist. Even though the home is new, issues can still exist. So hiring an independent inspector to check the home at the final walkthrough and using a cosmetic checklist can save you from unpleasant surprises. Here's a personal story. I closed on a new construction home just about 1 day before Christmas. In my rush, I didn't use a cosmetic checklist or hire an independent inspector. I quickly learned the consequences of this error on Christmas Day when I discovered the oven wouldn't turn on. We checked the electrical panel, but nothing worked. It was a frustrating experience on a holiday. It turned out the builder's electrician did not wire the oven's outlet correctly. So to help you avoid this stress, I have linked 2 resources below. A useful website for finding certified home inspectors in your area and a cosmetic walkthrough checklist I created. Number 2, failing to check the builder's reputation and quality. Poor craftsmanship, poor quality control, or slow warranty response from builders can lead to regrets. Avoid this by researching the past projects of the builders and also reading up on their reviews. Number 3, not budgeting for upgrades and options. Many builders offer a base price that sounds great, but the cost of upgrades such as a better flooring, cabinets, countertops, and lighting can all add up very quickly if you don't plan for them. A lot of builders also provide very standard finishes for the cabinets, flooring, and countertops that often are not high quality or appealing to the eyes. So it's important to keep this in mind as well. Number 4, not locking in interest rates or shopping lenders. Builders often encourage the use of their lenders, sometimes with special incentives. However, you might find better rates by shopping around, and failing to compare lenders or securing a good rate can actually potentially add thousands to the cost of your loan. Therefore, it's important to always compare rates from multiple lenders. If the lender or if the builder's lender offers a better competitive rate, then you should go with them. Number 5, ignoring future costs. New homes often come accompanied with higher costs that can strain a budget, especially if they're overlooked. These expenses include higher property taxes, HOA dues, insurance premiums, and ongoing maintenance costs like landscaping and utilities. Make sure to factor all of this in as you make your financial plan. Number 6, not understanding the builder's contract. New construction contracts often favor the builders. So before signing, make sure you review the crucial details such as warranties, the construction timelines, fees for change orders, and understanding the clear distinction between standard inclusions and optional upgrades. So bringing in a real estate agent or having a lawyer help review the contract is a smart move, which offers protection, especially if this is your first time buying a new construction home. This will definitely help you avoid common regret. Number 7, rushing decisions and overlooking timelines. Buyers sometimes rush through the design selections or not paying attention to the construction schedule can cause significant stress for buyers. This often results in missed opportunities for desired upgrades and potentially delays in your move-in date. So it's important to dedicate sufficient time to fully understand all the crucial dates and make sure you're thoughtfully informed about all your choices. So that wraps up the 7 mistakes people always make when buying new construction homes. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.